Bobo's Splashy Bath Time. Don't forget to subscribe to Bobo's channel for more fun and educational adventures. Let's learn together. One sunny afternoon, Bobo felt a little sticky from playing outside. He knew just what to do. Take a bath.
Phew! I'm all sweaty and dusty. Time to get clean.
Bobo, bathing every day helps wash off germs and dirt.
And it feels so refreshing.
Wow! These bubbles feel tickly.
Don't forget the soap, Bobo. Scrub-a-dub your arms, legs, and tummy.
And a little shampoo for your hair. Make it nice and shiny.
This is actually fun! It's like a mini pool party.
Exactly. And it keeps your skin healthy and smelling great.
Baths help wash away bacteria that can make us sick. That's why it's important to bathe every day.
All right, time to rinse. Bye-bye, Bubbles.
Whee! It's a bubbly wave.
And don't forget to dry off with a clean towel when you're done.
Ah, I feel so fresh and clean.
Now you can brush your fur or hair so it's nice and neat.
Isn't it amazing how a simple bath can make you feel so good?
Friends, remember, taking a bath every day helps keep you clean, healthy, and happy.
Say goodbye to germs and hello to a fresh start each day.
Enjoy your bath time, everyone. Scrub-a-dub-dub.
Hooray for being clean and bright. Subscribe to Bobo the Cute Dog's channel now.